Hey, it's James Nicholson and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to get your first 100 subscribers and then beyond. And I'm going to show you inside my latest channel, my Property Accelerator channel, which is going crazy good in only the first 2 weeks. Now, look. I'm assuming if you're watching a video like this, you're probably a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, or someone looking to grow a business and get your marketing sorted, right? Now, if that is you, do check out the description because I'm going to put a link to grab my new book, Expert Mastery. I want to give you a free copy of that here today. Now, also subscribe to the channel, obviously, guys. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. New content on this channel every day on growing, scaling, and marketing a business. So let's have a look at my channel. This is a brand new channel that I've launched, and the point of the channel is to share my property journey. Now, I've got 2 kids. I've got one that's older, who's 21. I've got a 21-year-old daughter called Georgia, and I've got a newborn baby. Well, not so newborn now. She's 1 year old, 1.5, called Amelie, right? And so what I'm doing this year is I'm actually investing on their behalf. So I'm building those 2 a property portfolio so they could just get more security, because my business is great, but they can't take that on, right? And so I want to make sure they've got good, strong foundations for their lives. And so what I'm doing is documenting this on YouTube, right? And this is a new channel that's only been going 4 weeks. First 2 weeks we didn't do nothing. We'll put a couple of videos up, but it's really starting to get there in the last 2 weeks. And so that's what I want to show you guys, a few things that we've done and how you can copy and model what we're doing too. So let's just start with the homepage here. And this is an important video that we have here, and this gets us a good amount of subscribers, and so I think you should add one of these in too. And so this is just an overview video. You put it up in your back end of YouTube, and it gives the channel a welcome. So it's a welcome video, and in the welcome video I just tell people this is what this channel's for. This is the journey that I'm taking you on. If you want to join us, subscribe to the channel, right? And that's working really, really well. So that's called a welcome video. Get that on your channel. A lot of channels don't have those, right? And they're only shown to people that haven't subscribed as well, right? So once they subscribe and they come back to your channel, they're not going to keep getting the welcome video. It's hidden then. So that's one little secret that's worked very, very well for us. Next, let's have a look at one of these videos here. Which one's doing really, really well? This one's doing very well. So this one's got us 40 subscribers, which is pretty good. And so how this one's working here is we have focused on the description, right? And so a lot of people don't do this. They just put a description and that's it. Now, what we've done in this description is we just tell people to subscribe, right? So we've got a subscribe button there and one again at the bottom. So there's 2 opportunities for people to subscribe if they read the description, which is good, right? And that's what you need to do too. So you've got to make it as easy as you can for people to subscribe, right? Because they're lazy, right? So put it in there. They can click on there. So for example, if I click on this, it will come up with the subscribe link. It's not going to load because I'm already subscribed, right? But if you click on that, if you want to go and check out Property Accelerator James Nicholson, you can click on one of, and that's worth doing, right? Go and check out and subscribe to that. And just see how it works, right? That's the easiest way to learn this stuff. So that works really, really well. Next is in these videos, multiple times, I just tell people to subscribe like I did to you guys at the beginning, right? Now, so many YouTubers don't do that. They just assume people will like. You have to tell people what you want them to do and why, right? So if you subscribe to my channel, the benefits are that you'll get new content every day on growing, scaling, and marketing a business, right? So if you didn't do it earlier, please help me out, guys. Subscribe and hit the bell on this video right now. That will really help me. Cool, right? So that's what you guys need to do. And I mean it, subscribe to the channel while you're here. So we tell people in the video at the beginning and the middle and the end to subscribe to the channel. That will really help us and people will do it. If we forget it and don't say it, it's fine, but we will get less subscribers from that one video that goes out. So that's a key thing here. Now, another thing that you can't see on this video, but in the back end of YouTube, you can put a little image and you can make it a subscribe button so it comes up down here. It won't show because I'm logged in as this channel, but that is a nice way to get subscribers. It just sits there over and people can just click on it, and that will also help them subscribe. So that's another way to grow your channel, right? Now, next, let's have a look. What else can we do? One thing that we do when we upload the videos, this one, we can edit it. What's going on there? Come on. That's ideal when we're making a video.
Talk all about how you can recycle the deposits you use to buy investment property.
Okay, right. I'm in the wrong channel. That's why it wouldn't let me do it. So let's quickly switch.
Talk all about how you can recycle the deposits you use to buy investment properties to build.
Okay, this will catch up. Right, now let's edit this video now. And so what we're going to look at here is an end screen, right? We're going to look at an end screen. So what that means is that when the video finishes, it comes up at the end of the screen suggesting a new video or a playlist that you've got, and it can also suggest that they subscribe. So we're going to show you very quickly how to add that in. It always goes very slow when we're sharing on here. So we click end screen. So we're in the video, we edit here. And it gives us various different layouts you'll see here in a second. And we just pick one that we want. So you can have one where it has a video and those circles are the subscribe button. So we'll go with that one. And so what will happen is it will show the best video for the viewer, and it will show our subscribe button here. Now I can mention that, can't I, guys? I can say at the end of the video, hey, a button's going to come up. Make sure you click subscribe before you watch the next video. Now that's a really smart thing to do because we don't want them going off and then watching something not relevant and leaving our channel, right? So that really is an important thing that we can do here. So that's another way that we can grow the channel, is putting in these end cards. One other thing that we can do, what's helped to grow our channel, is to run some adverts, right? And so what we have is we're spending £1 a day, guys. Not even that, because we're just building this channel out slowly at the moment. It doesn't have anything to sell, so we're just putting £1 a day into the adverts, and we're advertising this video and some others, and it costs us a couple of pence to get a view. So we might get like 50 extra views a day on our channel, and hopefully some of those people will subscribe as well. So that's another way that you can do that. Now here's some things that you shouldn't do, right? This is a bad thing to do. And one that I see people do, and it drives me mad, is something called sub for sub, right? And that's subscriber for subscriber. And that's where you subscribe to someone's channel and in return, they subscribe to your channel. Now that doesn't work. The reason for that is because you're just getting loads of trash subscribers. Another thing that I see people do all the time is they ask their friends and family to subscribe to the page that would never be their customers. Now, why that's very bad to do is it confuses the YouTube algorithm, right? So imagine you were a nail salon and you wanted to get 30-year-old ladies into your salon, but you ask your Uncle John who's 60 to like it. He's going to have different viewing habits and a different avatar. He's not going to be your ideal customer. He's not going to watch all your videos as they come out. That is meaning that YouTube's going to be really confused because it's trying to work out what's the similarities between your audience. And when you get fake likes or friends and family to like, it might make you feel good because you feel like, oh yeah, I've got to get to 100 subscribers quickly, but it ultimately backfires. So we built this channel to 140 subscribers in pretty much 2 weeks. We've been ranking this channel. Well, the channel's been live for a month, but all the activity we've done is in the last 2 weeks, which is good, right? That's a good, solid growth, and that's starting to compound. It's getting faster now. And when I put a new video out, it's going to those subscribers, and they're watching it because they're the right people, right? That's very, very important. Now, the next part is very, very important, and the most important thing that's going to grow a new channel. So before we jump into that, 2 things. One, if you've got a YouTube channel, comment below, let me know what it is. Just commenting below, we'll be able to see and click on the link, and you never know, if you've got some useful people on here, they might subscribe to your channel. And 2, smash the like button on this video, guys. That helps me push this out to more people on YouTube, and that will be really, really helpful. So I hope you'll be kind enough to do that. Now, next is really important to get your head around, right? So what lots of people do when they start a channel is they make content that they want to make that's really valuable, but it's not stuff that people are actually searching for, right? That's really, really important that you get that. And so what I mean by that, I've got a client, made a great video, is 50 the new 30, right? Really useful video, really interesting, but no one in the world is searching for that. Now, if you are David Beckham or Ronaldo or Tony Robbins or someone with a huge audience and millions of subscribers, you can make that content because it's going to go out to your subscribers, right? So once you start getting more than 10,000 subscribers, you can make content with whatever title you want, because it's going to go out to your existing audience. The problem is when you've got very little audience or you're just starting out, you've got to make content that people are searching for, right? So let's have a look at some of my videos and look at some of the titles here. Let's sort by most popular. Cool. How to recycle your property deposit. That's something that people are searching for. How the UK housing market is looking in March. That's what things are searching for. UK buy-to-let mortgages explained, right? So UK buy-to-let mortgages explained. Look, there it is. It's come up as a suggestion. And so what I want you to do is to make a list of 10 video titles that you could produce. Things like how to lose weight without eating carbs, how to lose weight fast, how to drop 2 dress sizes, how to cure my eczema, how to cure my psoriasis. These are things that people are searching for. My clients are making videos like this all the time. How to do X. That's what people are searching for. Now, if you're unsure, then you just start typing it in the top. How to get more YouTube views. Look, see, all of this here is what people are searching for. Hope that makes sense, guys. Yeah, I really hope you're getting this, because when you make the right titles, that is going to get you in front of YouTube's searches. Then when you've done all the other stuff that we've already said, like putting the end cards on, like asking for the subscribe, putting it in the description, putting the watermark over there, then you're going to get the subscribers, right? And that's how this channel straight away has gone to 140 subscribers in pretty much 2 weeks, 2 weeks tops, right? And so that's what I want you guys to do here too, is to follow those steps. That's how you're going to build a really strong channel, and that is really, really critical to your success. Once you get 10,000 subscribers, then start making the content that you really want, and that will help grow your audience too. Now look, if you're really serious about really getting this marketing stuff nailed, and I think you are, because otherwise you wouldn't have watched till the end, right? I'd love to give you a free copy of my new book, Expert Mastery. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description where you can click on that now and actually get a physical copy, not the ebook. I mean the real deal. I'll send that out to you in the next few days. So do that now, and do subscribe to this channel if you didn't earlier. Hit the bell, because I've got new content every day on growing, scaling, and marketing your business. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.